So I'm here in the whole body Cryosauna, about to get really cold, so I'll try to talk before I get too cold and can't. The purpose of this is different than an ice bath where you're freezing tissues. In this, you're actually going to be tricking the mind into saying you're in a really, really cold environment, and what it does is it shunts the blood from your extremities into your core, into your lungs, into your heart, into your brain, everything like that. It really wants to protect that and get the blood out of the extremities. That's why when you're in a snowy, cold type of environment, your extremities lose blood first, because it's the protective mechanism for the body. But ultimately, what we're doing here is we're getting the blood out of the legs. It's going to flow through the lungs and heart, get a lot of oxygen and nutrients. After 3 months of being 3 minutes, I can't even think right now, it's so cold. After 3 minutes of being really cold, I'm going to step out, and then the blood is going to hyperperfuse to my extremities. And I'm going to end up with a lot more blood flow to the legs, kind of replace the crud that was in there before with new, fresh blood, and ultimately have good recovery. That's the purpose of the whole body Cryosauna, is sports recovery, or there's other benefits, but what we use here mainly is for recovery purposes of the extremities and the whole body. Going to catch my wits about me here for a minute. It gets down to about a negative 160 degrees Celsius, so it's really cold. For about 2 minutes of it, you feel really cold, but when you get out, you're really invigorated. I'm one of the worst when it comes to this. I'm always screaming and yelling, so I'm doing a pretty good job just to be able to talk a little bit. Okay. We've got everybody from MMA fighters to triathletes to regular folks that are just active, utilizing this in their weekly routine just to try to recover and feel better for their sport or activity.